accurate by weather rate.
All right, a lot to talk about. First of all, we're going to cover the storms that happened this morning into the early afternoon. And if you're wondering what took place, some supercell thunderstorms, not tornadic, but hail producers, to say the least, caused really 5 hail tracks across the region. One significant near Elm Springs. We'll take you through that. Southeast side of Fayetteville through Huntsville, Jasper. Another hail core that went into southwest Missouri. And then finally, the 5th one that moved through Springfield, Missouri. We'll talk about that here in just a bit, but let's zoom in on our weather coverage area. And it happened early in the morning, really essentially early in the morning, considering we normally see severe weather during the afternoon. This was the hail core, and watch all the hail reports pop up as those storms made their way through parts of southwestern Benton County and northwestern Washington County. We'll loop this again so you can see those storms popping up across the region and several supercell thunderstorms. These were massive hailstones too that fell in terms of what we normally see. In fact, check this report out from Cave Springs. You'll notice that we had hail that was the size of 3 inches. So we'll let that populate on there. And here's some pictures of that 2.5, 3 inches. We got several photos from our viewers on our megaphone source. And so here's Elm Springs. You can see that's close to 2.5 inches. We've got additional hail cores as well. Huntsville, you can see that coming down. That was from the storm that moved through. I mean, just the pictures and video alone that's come in is substantial, and we appreciate each and every one. And look at that one, Jeff from the Elm Springs area punching a hole through some sort of outdoor cabinet and also doing damage to a vehicle, not just denting it, but really kind of putting a hole in it. So we got some serious damage across the area, roof damage as well. Prairie Grove experiencing that. And then finally McKay. We got so many photos, I could literally spend the whole weathercast showing you that. But there's that hail core coming through the southwest side of, like we said, Elm Springs, and then continuing northeast through Cave Springs. Another hail core that developed near Fayetteville, that produced some large hail to crack some windshields, and that was close to Elkins, a little bit north of that. You'll notice here additional hail moving through Kingston, and then that hail core continued all the way through the Jasper area with multiple hail reports. Now, here's what happened in southwest Missouri. This storm split, and this is known as a left split, and a left split typically is a prolific hail producer, and this one was no different. In fact, you don't see this type of report every day, but significant hail damage at the Dickerson Park Zoo, and Doug and Allie and I were talking about this, but an emu, 21-year-old emu named Adam, was killed at the zoo. You don't see that very often. Another one was injured, and that happened just before noon. So then we had storms during the afternoon, and look at all those hail reports across northwest Arkansas and even in the River Valley. Now, it's quiet. We can breathe a sigh of relief. The storms are over. The severe weather is over. And if you'll notice, this kind of shows you what happened with the radar as we look at the visible satellite. Look at that explosive thunderstorm development. And then when we put on what's called the infrared, you can see just how cold those cloud tops are. So this is what we look at as meteorologists to determine what's going to happen. And here's the storms that popped up during the afternoon as they were pretty intense moving through northwest Arkansas, especially right around evening commute time, and additional storms popping up. And then look at this at sunset. That is just some explosive thunderstorm development. So much energy, but it is finally moving on out. Dew points are in the upper 50s to lower 60s, and we're starting to drop those temperatures with the northerly winds. So tomorrow morning, we're going to start off in the upper 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll hover right around 70 degrees. So a cooler day. And then notice a little bit of light rain that comes our way on Thursday as a weak weather system swings in. Cloud cover will be abundant as well. But that storm system finally moving out. Our 5 days of severe weather finally coming to an end, although we do have this weather system off to the west that's going to bring us a little bit of light rain as we go throughout our Friday. The majority of that will be in the River Valley. And you can see that cloud cover pretty abundant on our Thursday, and then there's Friday morning into the afternoon, a little bit of light rain, but check that out. Oh, the weekend's looking great. Get out and enjoy it. Beautiful sunny weather. No storms to watch anxiously on the radar. Saturday and Sunday, mid to upper 60s to lower 70s. Now, we do have that little bit of rain coming in on Friday. Does not look severe, so you don't have to be concerned about that. Next week, well, we'll start to warm up those temperatures, and by the end of the first week in May, we'll probably see another chance of thunderstorms rolling back in. But we'll enjoy the quiet while we've got it, and can't wait to see that drop monitor. I think